Hi, this is Litra Torch from DIYphotography.net. We got those two brand new boxes from Litra and we're really excited to see what's inside. It's the new Litra Torch 2.0. It has just been announced in CES 2019 and let's rip this box open and see what's inside. So I don't know if you guys remember, this is the original Litra and we did a big test for this, I don't know, like a year or a year and a half ago, and we loved it. So let's see what the new Litra has. I'm gonna put it right here just so I have some reference. So this is the box. It's a black box, very nice Litra. Everyone's making white boxes. Kudos for having the guts to make a black box. And it kind of opens like this, so you have a little picture here and you can see there are 16 LEDs here. The original Litra had only 8 LEDs. So I'm kind of curious to see how that impacts performance. So let's see what's in the box. I'm opening the box. It's kind of not easy to open. And let's see what's inside. Okay, so you get the actual Litra Torch, 16 LEDs. Oh, I see the button is a little bit changed. So it's a different kind of button. I don't know if you can see this. So again, let's take the old, I'm gonna put the old one here. And let's see what's inside. There's a little accessory box and you get a cable. Now this is a short cable, so maybe you can use it for charging. I don't know if it's long enough to use with a power bank. There's a little diffuser. So the light from the Litra is very directional. I guess you can use this to spread it or to light a room. You get a little mount for like a GoPro style mount. And it goes in the tripod socket. You get another mount, and this one is a hot shoe mount. Again, goes in the 3/4. Ooh, you get 2 metal discs. It's a good one and an evil one. And those, I guess, you can put on the wall. There's a little tape here. And then you can mount the Litra up against any surface. And there's a little clip. I'm not really sure. Oh, so you can slide it in, and then you can mount it on your clothes or on your pocket, something like this. I like it. It's a nice package. So let's take the old Litra and the new Litra, put them on tripods and see how they perform. Light-wise, they are very similar. From about 1 meter, we're getting 750, 800 lux from each one, so they're very, very similar. But here's an interesting thing. The original Litra, temperature was around 7,000, which is practically unusable, and the CRI was way low at 76. The new Litra has a CRI of 93. That's actually pretty good for photography. And the light balance is at 5800. So again, very good daylight balance. It's very good for photography. Right off the top, I can say that this is the pattern from the old Litra. We are familiar with it. There are no hot spots, but I really like the pattern that is coming from the new Litra. It's even smoother. So this is the new Litra Pro. It has just been announced. Go and check it out. Litra Torch DIYP, and I'll be seeing you around.